So this is my tutorial on how to use CapCut. First things first, import your videos, pictures, or audio. So you go import and just import whatever. I'll just import some videos like that. So they're imported. You can import whatever media you have. Next, you have audio. So you could drag and drop. So this guy Sam, it's on like boom. So you'll have multiple layers depending on how you want to do it. So that's audio, commercial, different type of sound effects. So just drag it in, drag and drop, easy. Volume of it. Not important. Next you have text, different type of effects. Let's put text on top. So let's do hi. So you can move it. That's spelled correctly. Hi. And then you can change the move it around. Change the length of it. This guy's Sam. So we move it right here. That'll be text. Want text. You have stickers. You want to drag a sticker in. I'll download it. So you have a sticker right here. So this is the stage. You can drag and drop anywhere, but it's dragged right here. Delete, and you have other stuff like this, effects. Well, first things first, learn the bottom bar. So the only main way you gotta know is a split. So where you want to split, you want to go split, and delete. Now you can add an effect somewhere, like right, not the pro effect. Let's see, so right here. It's your girls. Okay, now hits your girls. Shake. Let me. You can make the effect however long you want. He did a pretty good job, but he's at 18. So there's that. You can put effects like whatever you want, how long you want it, and then it's transitions. So a transition would be in between a cut. So down one hits your. So now we have a transition. Hits your girl, like right there. Transition, as you can see. You'll use it for your different cuts. There's filters. You want to have a different filter, and you have custom adjustments. So the most important thing is the cut. You want to cut like a cut is like splitting like where you want to delete, or like the cuts that you don't want, like whatever photos you don't want. He actually hit on 100 girls. For example, I want to got that cut, so let's pretend I'm cutting that out. But mind the audio, like look at the audio. He actually hit on 100 girls and got success versus. I'll be right here. And then boom. Now backspace, delete, and then that's a jump cut. Okay. And to export the audio, the video, right here is export. And you can export it wherever folder you want. Play with the settings. Change it to this one. That's a very high efficient compression ratio, AV1. This is the most common, the H604. You can change it to MOV or MP4, however you like, or you just export audio. You want to export audio. And this is like a very, very simple video editing software, CapCut. And it's made by ByteDance. So yeah. That's about it. If you enjoyed this video, hit a like, smash a like, and if you learn how to video edit it from this video, just play with it. The most important things is the cut and export. The rest of these are not important. It just adds like flavor to your video. So all you need to actually know is how to cut and to export, and possibly they don't have audio effects yet. They have sound effects, but they don't have actual like audio effects like sound and stuff to fix things. And they have voiceover right here with the recorder on the side, but what's this? No, we can't do any of these. So you have to fix your audio with FL Studio or something. So that's something you don't have. But you can just edit videos with this. And there's shortcuts too if you want to look at the shortcuts. But here's my quick tutorial on how to edit videos because I've been doing this for a while. So this is a very good free editing software to start with, but it doesn't have like sound engineer stuff. So you can like fix the background sound, but it has audio effects, but it can't fix like vocals or do hard fixes, which you need like a sound engineer to do, which I can do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.